Hi, hello everyone. This is Dr. Vishakha Padhye, periodontist by profession. So recently I had an opportunity to listen to Dr. Bharti Pahuja sir. So here I wanted to share my experience with you. So at the end of the lecture, uh, I was very satisfied and full of knowledge because he has very immense knowledge and command over the subject, and he clears our serious doubts with same conviction and passion and selflessly. And I would recommend everyone to at least attend his one of lecture or attend workshop because he tries to push our limits or boundaries and to know more about ourselves so that we can apply it in our day-to-day practice, which will help us grow. And all of this he does in very simplistic and witty manner, so that it is not a burden for us, but it is very interesting journey for us. Thank you everyone and for listening to me, and thank you so much sir for opening a new world to me. Thank you so much.